Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's a great pleasure to attend the WBBA Annual Meeting and discuss the development of future broadband networks with global partners. Today, I'm going to talk about building the new infrastructure with cloud network convergence. Connecting the world and enable digital transformation of the whole society. Nowadays, intelligent and integrated digital information infrastructure is fundamental to bridging digital divide, promoting digital transformation, enabling industry and sectors, and building a smart society. In particular, it has played an important role in the COVID-19 pandemic. Distance learning, telework, video conference enable people to maintain their normal study, work, and life during this special period. In this sense, intelligent and integrated digital information infrastructure is a key direction for future development. And its core features include high speed and ubiquitous transmission, space ground integration, cloud network convergence, intelligent and agile operation, green and low carbon development, as well as security and controllability. The high-speed, ubiquitous network lays an important foundation for the digital transformation of the whole society. China Telecom has deeply engaged in basic network. We have conducted a gigabit optical network upgrading and carried out 10 GPON network construction for key cities and towns. Covers 150 million households. We have built up a digital home all optical gigabit Wi-Fi network for whole house, which provides users with large bandwidth, low latency, high quality service. China Telecom believes that cloud network convergence will be the main direction in the future, which regards the network as a foundation and the cloud as a core, allows network functions to be adaptive to the cloud base on cloud network convergence, and deeply integrates digital factors of cloud, network, edge, terminal with image information technologies like AI and Internet of Things to build a foundation for digital transformation of the whole society. During the past years, we have intensified research on critical core technology, including basic cloud software and hardware, cloud technology base, and cloud innovation service to promote continuous upgrading of e-cloud. Now it has entered the 4.0 stage, featuring with distributed, autonomous, and controllable, circle and open cooperation. We have also speeded up cloud network convergence in a couple of ways. On the one hand, we promote cloudification of networks, including building new metropolitan area networks to enable network functions to be adaptive to the cloud and cloud age collaboration. On the other hand, we provide one-line cloud access service and a multi-cloud connection service to user. China Telecom keeps improving the capability of intelligent, agile operation. We have driven the building of a new generation of cloud network operation system, connecting cloud, network, agent, and terminal to provide the intelligent and agile integrated information service. Currently, the agile provision capability has covered IP virtual private network, OTN, 5G, customized network, and other cloud network facilities, and supports instant use of cloud network convergence, which enable minute-level provision inside the company. We believe that the future development of broadband network should follow a green and low-carbon development model. We may save energy and reduce emission by considering network architecture, cloud network layout, construction model, new technologies, and AI to promote green development of broadband networks. China Telecom is a world-leading and large-scale full-service operator, an integrated intelligent information service provider. In the latest Fortune Global 500, we ranked the 126. By the end of this July, our fiber optical coverage reached 98% in villages, and our broadband users totaled 198 million. Our e-cloud ranked the first in terms of public cloud IaaS among global operators. China Telecom is the largest IDC service provider in China. Ubiquitous, high-speed, and integrated cloud network infrastructure will better empower economical and social development. Our practice of cloud and broadband has laid the foundation for industrial development. In addition, focusing on the value appeals of different customer groups, such as those of individuals, families, industries, urban, rural, and social sectors. We have enhanced innovative application of digital information technologies and rolled out a series of digital applications based on cloud network convergence to empower all walks of life and facilities, transformation and upgrading of economy and society. A new generation of intelligent ICTs, such as big data, cloud computing, AI, blockchain, and quantum communications, is booming. The global digital transformation needs green and circular infrastructure with extensive connection and cloud network convergence, which requires close collaboration and cooperation among operators, equipment manufacturers, cloud service provider, and customers. However, we are facing some challenges in developing broadband around the world, such as lack of policy guidance, scaled industrial standards, long investment payback period, and huge digital divide. However, the establishment of WBBA is conducive to unite the global industrial chain, organizing industrial chain dialogues, strengthening technology collaboration, and reaching consensus on global broadband development, so as to drive innovation and development of ICT infrastructure and active prosperity of the global cloud network broadband industry by coordinate planning and development. We'd like to suggest WBBA to include some students into the scope of its key researchers. For example, policies and regulation of the global cloud network broadband industry, research and innovation of cloud network convergence, infrastructure and new technologies, innovation and coordinated development of vertical industry. In future, China Telecom will work with WBBA partners to drive the growth and prosperity of the organization, and share our standards, outcomes, and experience with the world. We will work with industrial chain partners around the globe to build new infrastructure based on cloud network convergence, connect the world, and enable digital transformation of the whole society. Thank you for your time and listening.